Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add music to video for WhatsApp status or Instagram story. It is very simple and it works for both. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is download InShot or CapCut. Open it, then tap on create new project and import the video. I will choose this video as an example. Now we need to add music to it. So tap on audio, tap on music, then import. Tap on import again, tap on files, and here choose the music you want to add. I will choose this one. As you can see, it has been imported successfully. So just tap on it to add it to video. You can see it has been added to your video. You can also adjust it. After that, export your video from top right. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.